everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to create iFlix account for free. Before jumping right in, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. That way, you'll never miss another update from us in the future. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you've downloaded iFlix application on your device. If not, go to your Play Store or App Store and download the application first. Once you have the app, tap it open. As soon as you open iFlix, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface on your display. In order to create an iFlix account for free, go and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Once you spot the icon, tap it on. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll be able to see a login button at the upper right. Tap on login and you'll be able to sign up for iFlix using your phone or email, or you can also log in using your Facebook account or your Google account. Tap on phone or email option to sign up with your phone number or email. In the text field, input your phone number or your email address. Let me enter my email address in order to sign up. After you're done typing it in, tap on the next button. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email that you just entered. Tap on Send Code to receive it. Now go check your email and type in the code that you received. Now, tap on the Sign Up button. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll need to enter a password for your account. Create a password that is strong and which is at least 8 characters long. Once you provide the information, you can double-check your password by tapping on the eye icon at the right corner. Agree to the terms of use and privacy statement of iFlix by tapping on the box. Now, tap on Confirm. Once you do that, you will be signed up successfully for your iFlix account. In order to go to your account information, you can tap on the account option and this is your profile. That is how you can easily sign up for iFlix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you next time with a brand new content. Stay tuned till then.